Hi, good morning, all you lovely people. I was just out. It's been raining since last night here in Dehradun. The temperature is around 30 degrees. So I thought it's a bit cool today. So let's do a bit of bird watching here in nearby areas. So the most favorite area is Maldevta, where there is a lot of birds. Maldevta, and there is also a village, Dubra village. So that's the main hotspot for birding. So thought about making a vlog for the first time on bird watching. So let's go ahead and just enjoy the view. Just have a look. So we are here on Raipur Maldevta Road, and it's cloudy today and a bit cool. So the birds, I am expecting that there should be a lot of activity and a lot of birds out here. So let's see what we find and what we get, and I'll share pictures with you at the end of this video. All right, see you then. So just enjoy the view as I drive. This is what it looks like. It's away from the city, main city, and as you can see, it's a lot of silence here as compared to the main city, and a lot of greenery. So let's see what we find today. Till then, we're going to reach where we're going, and I'll be back with you in some time. So we've reached Kesarwala, and this is the view from Kesarwala. Lot of greenery, lot of forest, lot of trees, lot of mountains, and we have to still go ahead towards Maldevta and towards the red bridge of Maldevta. So let's move ahead. So we are here at the red bridge, and this is the college ahead that had actually crashed during rains last year. If you've heard about Maldevta Defense Academy, so this is the academy right in front. A lot of construction work is going on. So this is the river area, so you can find a lot of water birds here, waders and others, and you can also spot kingfishers here, crested, and also the common kingfisher. So this is the whole terrain like, and we have to just go to the right to reach Dubra, which is a very good place for birding. So let's go ahead. So we are here at Comalda, and already there is a lot of chirping going on, and Comalda is a small village which is close to Dubra, which is like about 4 to 5 kilometers from here, and already I can see a lot of bird activity. Like I can spot a few woodpeckers here, and also bulbul, and I think so it was a red-vented bulbul, and pied bush chat male is also there. And look at the scenes here, beautiful village scenes here. And also I spotted a white-throated kingfisher on the way. So the day looks very promising. As we move ahead towards Dubra, I think so we should get captures today, and let's hope for the best. So as I was coming towards Dubra on the way, I happened to stop my car here because there was a lot of chirping, and I think so I found my new lifer of birding, which I think was a Tickles blue flycatcher. I'll have to confirm the ID. I've taken a few shots. Also spotted a crimson sunbird here. Slaty parakeets are also here, and a white-browed fantail is also there. A lot of chirping is here. Let's see, let's hope we find something else here. Let's stop by for some time till we move ahead, and let's see if we can spot a few more birds here and click some good pictures. Today I think getting one new bird makes my day already, because seeing a bird for the first time is actually amazing. The ones that you've already seen other people click pictures of, when you see that bird yourself, it's a great feeling. Bird watching is a great hobby in itself. It helps you uh, s- um, s- it helps you release a lot of stress, of your own stress, and it helps you release a lot of stress, and also it's very peaceful, and to spend some quality time alone is also what we need today in today's world. So let's see, hoping for the best. देखते हैं और क्या मिलता है. Let's see, let's wait some more time. आज का दिन तो वैसे बन ही गया है. My day is made today after spotting that bird, which I think is a Tickles blue flycatcher for the first time. Let's see what all we can find and click pictures of ahead. So we are very close to Dubra now, and just close to the government school here. It's a whole forest area, and I spotted a few birds here. Okay, like the blue-throated barbet. I can also see a paradise flycatcher female here, and also I can see a blue whistling thrush. We've got a single shot of blue-throated barbet. You have to stay very silent and very calm, because the birds hearing your voice will immediately fly away. So this is a very patient hobby, and this is the scene, like, if you want to see. And the bird that we've spotted in the morning, which I thought was a Tickles blue flycatcher, may also be a blue-throated blue flycatcher. This area also, in this area I've also spotted once a mountain hawk eagle. So this area is also a very good area for bird watching. Okay, I can just see a orange headed thrush here, so I'll just try to get a picture of it. So I'll get back to you guys in a moment. So we are here at Dubra, and this magical trail and place, you can find a lot of birds here for bird watching. I have had a lot of lifers here, I just spotted a white crested laughing thrush, and also I can see Himalayan black bulbul, and a lot of other birds are also there. Oriental magpie robin, male, female. Just look at the beauty of this place. It's a place where a lot of bird watchers come. It is actually away from city. It falls in Tiri, and a very good spot for bird watching near Dehradun. So whenever you are here, you should come here and get some lovely pictures and memories. The weather is very pleasant today, and there is a whole lot of activity. Lot of birds chirping around. I'll just wait and watch and click some pictures for you if I can. I'll spend some time here. Just look at the scenes here. Beautiful green forests. Beautiful. Just waiting to find some more birds here. If I can find, I'll probably click some pictures and post later in the video. Still, I can hear a lot of slaty parakeets chirping here. Few other birds like the magpie robin is also chirping. Alright, let's keep it till this for today. I hope you've enjoyed a sneak preview, and I hope you will like, share, subscribe, and give me your love, help, and support as always. And I thank you so very much for all the love and support that you've given till now. Till the next video, it's bye from my side. Happy birding.